The automotive world is a realm of constant innovation, driven by the pursuit of enhanced performance and efficiency. Among the many technological advancements, turbochargers stand out as a testament to engineering ingenuity. These devices, once confined to high-performance racing, now boost everyday vehicles, redefining the driving experience. Imagine a world where your car's engine, regardless of its size, could deliver exhilarating acceleration and effortless passing power. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of turbocharging, where power and efficiency converge to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. At its core, a turbocharger is a simple yet effective device that operates on the principle of forced induction. It's an air pump that uses exhaust gases to compress more air into the cylinders. As exhaust gases exit the engine, they spin the turbine, which is connected to compressor wheel. The spinning compressor wheel draws in fresh air, compressing it and increasing its density. This denser, oxygen-rich air is forced into the engine's cylinders, allowing for a more powerful combustion event. The result is a significant increase in horsepower and torque, transforming the engine's performance. The world of turbochargers is diverse, with manufacturers like Garrett, BorgWarner, Honeywell, and IHI leading the way. Garrett offers a range of products from small responsive units to high-flow turbochargers for extreme horsepower. BorgWarner's EFR series combines advanced aerodynamics and robust construction for exceptional performance. Honeywell supplies reliable and efficient turbochargers to both OEMs and the aftermarket. IHI is known for their expertise in diesel engine, turbocharging, and hybrid vehicle technology. Section 4. Turbocharging your ride. A general overview. Installing a turbocharger requires a deep understanding of engine mechanics, fabrication skills, and specialized tools. First, the existing exhaust manifold is replaced with one compatible with the turbocharger. Next, the turbocharger is mounted to the engine, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. The intake system is modified to accommodate the turbocharger, including installing a larger intercooler. The fuel system may need upgrades such as larger fuel injectors and a higher flowing fuel pump. Finally, the engine's computer is reprogrammed to account for the turbocharger, optimizing performance and preventing damage. This involves adjusting parameters like ignition timing, fuel delivery, and boost pressure. Proper installation ensures the turbocharger enhances performance without compromising engine longevity. Section 5. The benefits of forced induction, power, and efficiency. Turbochargers offer a compelling combination of performance enhancement and fuel efficiency. By harnessing exhaust gases, turbochargers unlock hidden potential within an engine. The most immediate benefit is the significant increase in horsepower and torque. This translates to improved acceleration and a more dynamic driving experience. Turbochargers also improve engine efficiency by allowing for more complete combustion of fuel. This means a turbocharged engine can achieve similar or better fuel economy compared to a larger, naturally aspirated engine. Additionally, turbochargers can help lower harmful exhaust gases, making them a viable solution for meeting stringent environmental regulations. Section 6. Turbocharger limitations. Not a one-size-fits-all solution. While turbochargers offer many benefits, they are not suitable for every vehicle. Engine design and compatibility are primary limitations. Some engines may not handle the increased stresses and temperatures of turbocharging. Space constraints within the engine bay can also pose challenges for installation. Extensive modifications may be required, which can be costly and time-consuming. The cost and complexity of turbocharger installation can be prohibitive for some car owners. Installing a turbocharger often requires specialized knowledge, fabrication skills, and tools. Despite these challenges, for many, the performance gains are worth the investment. Section 7. Conclusion. Turbocharging into the future. Turbochargers have revolutionized the automotive landscape, enhancing performance and efficiency. As technology advances, innovative turbocharger designs will continue to push the boundaries. Whether for performance enthusiasts or environmentally conscious drivers, turbochargers offer a compelling solution. Turbocharging will undoubtedly continue to shape the future of the automotive industry, driving innovation and delivering an unparalleled driving experience.